There's a bit of a wonderful spectacle taking place here. I've been up once, and in this tree line here, I heard what sounded like rushing water in the middle of nowhere, folks. You might hear it in a minute. And then when I approached close enough, all of a sudden these seemingly millions, probably hundreds of thousands of birds shot up from this tree line here, and the noise was quite deafening. So I'm going to just sneak back and see if we can capture them, take flight from this tree line again in a few minutes, because some of them are back. I can hear the noise of these things chattering to each other in their thousands at least, and it's quite deafening. And then they take off in this cloud of birds. Basically, I don't know what birds they are, but I can see them in the tree line here now. So I am hoping, there's no leaf on these trees, so I am hoping now to capture these things as they fly off. You can hear them. I can hear them anyway, folks. I'll try and do a zoom in if possible here. The trees are full of them. And hopefully now, as I get close enough, we may just capture them in flight. There's not as many this time, but the noise was deafening. You should be able to hear the noise now, folks. I can see at least hundreds of them in the tree line here. You hear the noise cut off as they know I'm approaching. And off they disappear. There they go, folks. And what I'll do now, I'll sit under this tree line here and just see, give them 10 minutes to see if they reappear. As long as they're not startled by my presence. Let's just see if they return. And here they are, folks, some of them trying to return to this tree line. And there are spotters coming back and flying around me. Obviously going back and telling the other birds, no, that twat's still in the tree line. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to disturb them. I just wanted to capture the spectacle. I'll try and come up again tomorrow, roughly the same time, and see if they're still in that tree line there. A fantastic spectacle when these seemingly millions, because the noise is deafening as they fly over your head. But the noise was deafening from just behind my property, about a quarter of a mile away there. And you can hear this, what sounds like running water. So I said, I'll nip up the lane and just see if there's been a burst or something. But of course you get to the fields here. And then I started wondering if something had erupted in the ground here on this elevated forested little area here that I'm coming down from now, a little bit of an hill. So I was just wondering, maybe there's a catchment there or something. But like I said, when I first came up here, I didn't think to put the camera on because I was expecting to find running water. But then all of a sudden, off took the birds into flight. You know, and it's just fantastic seeing that. And I have disturbed them, I understand that. Accidentally on first because I was trying to work out what the hell the noise was. But the second time I have disturbed them, but basically just to capture, you know, the fantasticness of them in flight. And the noise, hopefully I've done that. Maybe I haven't, I don't know. But they'll be back. I haven't permanently disturbed these things. I can see them hovering in the distance and above me here. They will come back. But again, tomorrow I'll try and come up and see if we can capture them again. But again, like I've said before, folks, all around we have this fucking ice nucleated fucking nonsense. Ice nucleated, created, man-made climate system that isn't weather, folks. And with that shot, I kid ye not.